I'll be making the part 2 of how to make the World at War gun. It's supposed to look like this, but it's really hard for me to do this thing here. See, it's like this. First I just made it like 10 minutes, about 20 minutes ago. This one right here, it's really hard. This thing right here. No, I don't care. Yeah, and we're gonna get started. First we're gonna do this thing right here, and this thing. Maybe the aimer first. Let's do the aimer first. How do I get this ring from? Well, I like to just put this aside for me. Now, I just like to put a step behind the camera. If you're making a tutorial too, you could just copy what I'm doing. I'll put you a little bit shorter so you can see better. And we just like to hold it. Oh yeah, we're making the clip thing. Okay. You like to hold it like that. If you're doing it on a table, you could probably do it this way. Like, put it through these little line things right here, these things here. That's what I do. Okay, you guys should do it on the table because it'll be kind of better because it has flat thing. Okay, here we go. Yeah, and you just like to roll that up. Roll it up. It still has two flaps right here. That. So you can make this little thing right here. This thing at the top right here. This little thing here. And then there'll be a new clip there. Okay, I just want to do that again. I messed up on me. Grab the tape. Okay, just do that. And then, am I staring at you? Oh no. Here, it's there. You can see me. Okay, you have that. Now you just like to cut a little inch, about that big. First, you like to cut a little straight line in the middle. And now you grab the middle one. And now you just like to attach it to your gun. The gun. Just does that. Okay, you just like to see the right? No, the left. No, the right. You want to put it on the right because this thing right here needs to be only thing on this side. And then the handle right here. Then the thing right here. This thing right here. Keep it right there. Okay. I'm going to do that right now. I just figured out to make this out of nowhere, and then it just came up in my mind. I said, hey, I should make this. I should try to make a gun, and then I just turned out making this. Now I just want to tape it all around it, just in case so it doesn't have to come off. Okay, you have that. Now I'll be making the little clip in there. Okay, I think there'll probably be a part 3 in here. Okay, just like this. Fold it very small. This way. And I'm gonna put you on this big stand right here. Okay, you just like to fold it this way. Okay, very skinny. Now you just like to tape that. Okay, you just like to tape that. Like to just tape that. I just want to see if that fits it. Oopsie. Damn, I gotta try not breaking everyone up. Flat that out. Now you just like scissors. See if that fits. Okay, that fits. But I'm not gonna. But your fist can fit on there. Mine couldn't. Okay. Mine fits. You guys gotta try to line it up. Yeah. Now you have this thing that you just cut it, right? Now you just wanna fold that all up again. You just like to cut out the little thing so you could cover the bottom on this thing here. Right here, this clip right here. Now you just like to tape that. Okay, now you just want to put that on there.
just want to say thank you. I'm going to be leaving now. It seems like Dad signed up photographer.
Oh, photos from the pediatrics ward.
Yeah. Commercials hand out these balloons.
Be ending it pretty soon. Okay, you got that clip and you like to put it back inside this little thing. And you can just go do this. You see how many loading? And yeah. This is the part 1. No, part 2 I think. Yeah, part 2. And bye. This is part 2. End of it.